now me, Tor and Sweeney will do some 9 monkey bars across hot lava.
Hot lava. Dun dun
It
dun.
might just look like black, but we're just pretending that it's hot lava. We might have to do a couple more, but let's see if I can do it.
Oh, fell in the lava.
If I get one on this round, I will get these 2. Daddy.
Yes, baby. Yeah, I'll help you in a second. We got to make sure Tori doesn't fall in the lava. He doesn't have a safety net this time.
I've done it.